Imagine receiving 5-star reviews that glow with appreciation and gratitude. Well, we've got just the stories for you. Jonah has recently left us a radiant 5-star review on Google. He couldn't be happier with NiceJob's service. Hudo's exceptional customer support made Jonah's experience delightful. Great software and guidance truly make a difference. Another reviewer expresses their enthusiasm, stating, "I had a great experience with Hudo at NiceJobs." A customer praises Hugh for being incredibly helpful and informative as he guided them through the NiceJob platform. With personalized tips, he ensured their journey with NiceJob was seamless and enjoyable, leading to higher satisfaction. Valerie's tech support is also shining through these reviews. Courteous, timely, and instructive is how many describe her service. Spotless Painting echoed similar sentiments, just 2 days ago with their great job review. Satisfaction is clear. Jason Wu, a sales rep for Extra Hand Services, received a glowing review for his impressive ability to break everything down. The impact of NiceJob's platform is evident as it facilitates customers in leaving glowing reviews effortlessly. A simple upload of a CSV file gets your campaign rolling, making your life a lot easier in gathering reviews. Another notable review by Pablo Hernandez highlights positivity and politeness, effectively showcasing NiceJob's core values. Hugh's attentive approach to customer needs stands out, as he meticulously inquired about their specific requirements. "Had a great experience," shared another satisfied customer, reflecting how personalized service leads to lasting impressions. Hugh helped make the setup process easy, allowing a smooth transition and empowering users to engage fully. Feelings of appreciation resonate through these reviews, showcasing how NiceJob is dedicated to excellence at every touchpoint. The praise continues with reviews from individuals like Caleb, who emphasizes how the platform boosted their review collection process. "NiceJob really helped me get 5-star reviews from customers in the Phoenix Valley faster than ever," Caleb states. Hugh's support is further echoed in testimonials standing out for being helpful, making customers feel valued and understood. Mia also shares her satisfaction with the service, affirming how essential NiceJob is for customer engagement and support. Echoing sentiments, Victor's feedback about Hugh's meticulous attention to detail highlights the dedication to service excellence. Juan's words ring out clearly, appreciating how the platform equipped him with practical tips and guidance along the way. Feeling welcomed and supported is a recurring theme in these reviews, and they keep multiplying in positivity and recognition. With support like this, is it any wonder customers are compelled to spread the word about NiceJob? The stories of success are fueled by individuals who took the leap to engage with a platform promising assistance. As reviews pile up, the impact of a dedicated customer service team becomes impossible to ignore. It shines through. Customers like David echo throughout the testimonials, reaffirming that great customer service is truly invaluable. With each voice shared, we see a clear commitment to excellence and a culture centered around customer satisfaction. Who doesn't want to feel like their needs matter? That's what we're hearing time and time again. In a competitive landscape, NiceJob is a diamond in the rough, turning customer experiences into glowing endorsements. The ripple effect of consistent 5-star ratings showcases a vibrant community of satisfied customers and partners. Join the movement where positivity, support, and success intertwine, transforming the way businesses engage with their audience.